Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
A long time ago, there was a tribe known as the Bani Israel. They were very blessed to have a special prophet of Allah in their tribe. Prophet Musa helped the tribe and taught them about Allah. Still, some of them did not believe or follow Allah's rules. There was one man in this tribe who was very rich. He had more gold, money and jewels than he could even count. On the other hand, the old man had two nephews who were very poor. They barely had enough to eat and drink. Instead of sharing his money with them, their uncle would spend all his time counting his treasures. The rest of the tribe felt very sad seeing this. How could he treat his own family like this? We should always share our blessings, especially with our family members. One person in the tribe was so angry that he decided to kill the old man. This way, his poor nephews could have all his gold. Early one morning, a traveler was passing through town when he stumbled across the dead body of the old man. Everyone began wondering, who killed this man? It wasn't long before everyone began accusing each other. The people wouldn't stop arguing. So they finally decided to ask Prophet Musa for help. Of course, Prophet Musa knew exactly what to do. Alhamdulillah. Prophet Musa patiently listened to his tribe's problem. After that, he announced, "I will pray to Allah and ask Him to show us who the killer is." Prophet Musa then went to a quiet place. With tears in his eyes, he prayed to Allah to show him how to fix his problem. Allah answered Prophet Musa's dua. The solution was simple. All they had to do was sacrifice a cow. When the people heard this, they began laughing. They thought, how silly! A cow is going to show us who the killer is? Instead of trusting Allah and His Prophet, they started asking silly questions. One man asked, "What kind of cow?" Another asked, "Yeah, what color should it be?" Instead of getting angry at them for being disrespectful, Prophet Musa turned to Allah once again. And again, Allah answered each and every one of their silly questions. When the tribe members heard Allah's specific answers, they looked at each other nervously. Making fun of Allah's Prophet had made their job so much harder. How were they going to find the exact cow Allah described? After searching far and wide, they finally found a cow that fit the description. It was a beautiful yellow cow at the far end of the city. Alhamdulillah. But there was one slight problem. The little boy who owned this cow loved it very much. He didn't want to lose his favorite cow. The Bani Israel begged him. "We'll give you anything," they offered. "Anything?" asked the young boy. Okay, I will sell you the cow if you pay me as much gold as she weighs." And cows weigh a lot. The tribe members glanced at each other anxiously. That was a lot of money, but they were so desperate to find the murderer that they had no other choice. After everyone chipped in, they finally had enough money. What a shame, they had to pay so much money for this cow, only to sacrifice it. If only they had listened to Allah in the first place. When they got back, Allah ordered Prophet Musa to rub the cow's tail against the body of the old man. Everyone watched in awe as Allah miraculously brought the man back to life. He lifted his head, pointed to one of his nephews and shouted, "This is the boy who killed me!" Then he lowered his head and died once more. Finally, the problem was solved. The people quickly arrested the boy and put him in jail. They all learned a very important lesson from this experience. Allah asked them to complete a simple task, sacrifice a cow. However, instead of trusting Allah, they doubted Him and even made fun of His Prophet. This only made their simple job more difficult. Remember, we should always trust in Allah and listen to His Prophet. After all, He knows best.